see if it can jump into the ball pit lookout tower.
So there's the lookout tower. And then we're going to try the mighty lookout tower and then the loop-the-loop one too, to see which one goes the furthest, right?
Yeah, we have tons of options here.
And so we're going to learn something about gravity, momentum, and all that stuff, right?
Yep. So first we're starting off with Chase. So how this works is you drive up, drive, and then you sit here and then lift.
So up it goes.
Boop, boop.
Now it doesn't come with Chase, it actually comes with a Ryder right there.
And you can repair.
You can do the repairs on it.
And then when they're ready to go, you can go
Just
like
push 'em up.
this. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, look how far he made it. Well, he made it, but Chase jumped out a little early.
Nope.
So Chase, why don't we put you right there? We're gonna put you on top of the lookout tower. All right, who's gonna go next, assistant?
Next up is Ryder.
So here's the Ryder that came with it. He's gonna drive on up. And now he just is going to
Beep,
pull
beep,
through.
beep.
And
Okay.
so we gotta make sure that it's lined up correctly, right?
Right. 3, 2, 1.
He made it! Good job, Ryder! I don't know if you guys can see it all the way. We're gonna push this back a little further here. And oh, Waggles is super excited for it. Alright, so who's gonna go next?
Next up is Marshall, and no, Skye, because she can just fly up to the repair.
Oh yeah, so she's gonna just go on up to there. Does she need any repairs from that?
Oh, what? We need to repair wheels.
Uh-oh.
Okay, she's repaired.
Alright, so I'm gonna back up so you guys can see it.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, she crashed!
Maybe. Oh, like her wheels are still spinning too.
Oh, so she probably needed a little bit more repair, didn't she?
Yeah, probably.
So we're gonna set her to the side for the next round. So do you want to do Marshall or do you want to do Rubble?
Marshall.
Oh, Marshall just jumped up there.
Yeah, you're right. You probably need some repairs from that. Oh, well.
So here he goes. Up he drives.
Oh no, too early,
Oh,
Marshall.
he almost took off. You gotta wait your
You're
turn.
gonna need some repairs from that.
All right, so here we go.
3, 2, 1. Oh, Marshall, that was perfect.
Good job, Marshall.
Perfect, Marshall.
Okay,
Perfect.
now we're gonna do Rubble, and then should we do the ultimate or the loop-the-loop?
Ultimate.
The ultimate, okay. Or the mighty pumps. I'm sorry, the mighty pump.
Oh.
Not the ultimate, the mighty pump.
Woo.
I will say that these vehicles don't fit in it too well.
These are great for racing, though. I think the only one that didn't fit perfectly was Skye.
So, okay, ready? So here is
3, 2, 1. Oh no, Waggles.
Waggles, it jumped over your head!
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so we're gonna get ready for the next round. So you're gonna do the mighty lookout tower?
Yes.
Alright, so up it goes. So
Is it
it
down?
retracts, right?
Hold on.
So if you pull it,
Looking good. All right.
we'll set it up, and then like right here's the lever, and that pulls out the giant ramp, right? We're gonna pull that, and it looks like it hit right there.
Ta-da!
Alright, so maybe we scoot it back a little bit. Okay, so one of the things we're going to learn is that compared to the lift and repair set, they start from a higher point. So they're up here. Now, assistant, grab one of the vehicles, and we're going to put
Hold
it...
on.
I don't know if it matters.
Well, it's like can rest there. Oh,
It won't
never
fit.
mind.
So it's a little too wide. So when it's wide, it means you got some friction rubbing against the sides. So we'll see if that slows it down or speeds it up. Okay, so ready?
Go!
Whoa! It actually hit the lookout tower. Pretty
Crazy.
sweet. All right, let's try our next one.
Next up is Ryder.
We're gonna try Ryder. That's pretty well, right?
3, 2, 1. Whoa!
Good job, Ryder. All right, up next.
Chase is
Chase
on
is
the
on the
case.
case. So this is a mighty lookout tower. So he's right there. So again, he's starting from a higher point. So that means he has more potential energy.
3, 2, 1.
But unfortunately,
He's too wide.
he's too wide. So the friction actually slows him down a little bit. We'll try one more time. Let's see if the
Push
friction.
him. Oh, sorry, I went too early.
That's okay. So she kind of
He
pushed
still
it.
kind of failed,
Yeah. All right, up next, you want to do Skye.
though. Yeah.
So we're gonna, and then the loop is gonna be our last one.
Oh no.
Ah, she's too wide. She doesn't work.
Wait, right? We can start it right here, though. Whoa.
Uh-oh.
Whoa. We can start it right here.
Okay, so she's gonna start lower. So what does that do to her potential energy?
It's lower.
It's lower. So lower potential energy means less kinetic energy.
Here we go.
Oh,
she
she
still went really fast.
Yeah, she's still went pretty far.
Finally, we have Rubble.
Rubble on the double. Does he fit all the way up?
Might be a tight squeeze. I'm thinking he's gonna have to start lower.
Okay, he's gonna start lower. That reduces his potential energy.
2, 1.
Oh, good job, Rubble.
Still really far. Okay, time for the final one.
So we're gonna do the loop-de-loop, right?
What?
Ooh, this is gonna be fun.
All right, we have the final one up, and it's the one with the loop-de-loop.
The loop-de-loop. So it's about the same height. So the potential energy is about the same. The loop-de-loop actually really doesn't even affect it in terms of potential energy, right?
Right. Right.
All right. So.
But although it could get stuck at the top.
Yeah, sometimes they don't have enough to actually get through there.
Momentum.
So
All
remember, when you release it, right now, you've got potential energy, but when you release it, it turns into kinetic energy, right?
Right. And you want to know what I just noticed?
What's that?
Look at how many chases there are. What chase do we want to have?
Oh yeah, there are multiple chases. I like the one that's inside of it, right?
Okay.
Oh yeah, there's a lot.
We have to.
There's like 5 chases. It's like a chase.
That was
It's like a
funny.
chase factory.
Okay. Chase is going in 3, 2, 1. Whoa!
Whoa! That was the best one. Oh, Chase really did well, didn't he?
Oh yeah. Now Skye's a little bit iffier because she's a little bit wider and taller.
But you know what? She's not too wide for this one, so you're not going to have the friction between the wheels
She was a little
and the
snug.
edges.
All right.
Okay, let's see how it works.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa! She almost went over top of it.
She like touched the paw print on the lookout tower.
Like the logo right there, right?
Yeah.
That's way cool.
Next up, Ryder. I'm curious to see how he'll do because
We have Ryder.
he's a
now.
lot lighter than the other ones.
Okay, so,
Oh.
Ryder, you almost fell off. So, what happens is,
Hold on. Oh.
what happens is when it's lighter, gravity still pulls it the same, but it has less momentum, right? So that's what it affects. It doesn't affect necessarily the speed at which it falls, it affects the momentum. And so that's how much stopping power it takes for it to stop, or if it can go through something. All right.
Ready, set, go!
Oh, I don't think he had enough momentum to go around the loop.
Nope, maybe if I push it.
Oh, he crashed. All right, so I think we're learning that there's not enough momentum for him to get through the loop. We'll try it one more time. Where did he go?
He fell.
Oh, he fell? Okay.
Yes, he's down here. Whoa. Hold on. Got him.
I'm glad he was wearing his helmet. That's why when you're on your bicycle or ATV, it's always important to wear a helmet, just like Ryder, right?
Right.
Because you don't know when you're gonna fall off.
He's matching Chase. Because he's wearing police.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. 3. Wait, do you want me to push him?
No, just let him go on his own. Oh, again, he stopped short. Just not enough momentum.
Okay,
Oh, well.
2 more.
2 more. That Ryder didn't come with this playset, so he wasn't supposed to go through.
Marshall.
Now we have Marshall. Where do you think he's gonna go?
I think he's gonna hit the rim on top.
Really?
Just below the rim.
Alright, so he's a pretty big vehicle.
Pretty
so
heavy.
Yeah, so he's gonna have a lot of momentum, right?
Right. Ready, set, go. Ah, yeah. Ah, go. Short. He landed like right on the logo though.
Wow.
And finally, Rubble. I don't know if he's as heavy as Marshall, but
Rubble on the double.
it's pretty heavy. Whoa. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, he didn't even make it to the tower.
Well, that was still pretty cool, right?
Right.
So that was our lookout tower with the ball pit. And we learned about different things. We learned about potential energy.
Kinetic energy, friction,
And
gravity,
and-
momentum.
Yeah. And those are all things you learn about in physics, right?
Right.
So if you want to be an engineer, that's the start of it. Lots of cool things about
You're halfway there. I'm just kidding.
You know what?
Halfway through the first concept.
Well, if you think it's interesting, then you definitely ought to check out engineering, right?
Right.
So what should the people at home do now?
Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.